In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mobile view on Shopify, specifically focusing on resizing your images and videos to ensure that your online store looks great and operates smoothly on mobile devices. Let's dive right in and make your store as mobile-friendly as possible, which is crucial given the increasing number of shoppers using their phones to browse and make purchases. First, you'll need to go to the Shopify website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address. Once there, you should log into your account using your credentials. This step is important as it gives you access to all the customization tools you need for your store. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look for the Online Store option in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, as this will take you to a new section dedicated to managing your store's appearance. Next, you'll see several options related to your store's themes. What you want to do here is click on the Customize button located under the Themes section. This button is your gateway to modifying how your store looks on the front end. Now, in the customization area, direct your attention to the upper menu where you'll notice several icons. Hover your cursor over the icon that resembles a mobile device. This feature allows you to preview how your store appears on a mobile screen, which is important because it can look quite different from the desktop version. After you've hovered over the mobile icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will switch your view so you can see exactly what mobile users experience when they visit your site. It's within this view you can start making changes to ensure that your images and videos are appropriately sized and formatted for mobile browsing. As you go through the mobile view, pay attention to any images or videos that appear too large, too small, or otherwise improperly fitting the screen. You'll want to make adjustments to ensure your content is fully responsive. This may mean resizing images through code or using Shopify's built-in tools to adjust the layout. Keep testing and previewing until you find that sweet spot where everything fits nicely, maintaining both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Mistakes can happen, so feel free to revert any changes and try different strategies to achieve your desired look. So there you have it. A straightforward process to ensure your Shopify store looks fantastic on mobile devices. It's all about making sure your shoppers have a seamless and pleasant experience, no matter how they access your store. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with optimizing your store.